Students, keep your books with you and open the page number 1. Which students have not textual book don't feel any problem. My all lessons is scanned on my computer screen, so you can take a screenshot from your cell phone and computers. So dear student, now the time is for deliver the content of the civil life in Pakistan. Everybody know that the Pakistan is a unique country. It is in an Islamic state on the unity of God and humankind. Yet it was also created through the free. It is created through the free choice of people in the election conducted in 1945 and 46. Therefore, the full name of the country is the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. We can say that the Islamic Jamhuriya Pakistan. Republic means of system of democracy. What is the mean by the democracy? Where all the citizens are feel free. Dear students, consensus is very important for Pakistan. It means something on which everyone agree. We can use an example to understand this better. Let's imagine. There are 30 students in a class and there is only one playground. 20 students want to play football while 10 want to play cricket. We can say that the majority want to play football and minority want to play cricket. But what do they all want? They all want to play some outdoor game. As it can be said that the consensus is on playing outdoors, but there are differences on what should be played. Dear student, first of all, I will tell you why we are say that the Pakistan is a unique country and what is mean by the civil life. So I will tell you that Pakistan is a nation is the making that has inventing its own name, unlike the 139 members of UN and most countries around the world that have their names based on geographical location, like India gets name from Indus River. Renowned social worker, filmmaker, author, and former federal minister and senator. Also, I will tell you is this Islamic based on the unity of God? So what is the mean by the unity of God? The essence of oneness is that there is one and only one Allah. He is invisible. We can't see. Means invisible, we can't see. And without any partner whatsoever. Allah is the supreme, gorgeous, being the creator's standard and master of the world. The essence, the oneness of Allah was divinely revealed to the very first man, Adam. My dearest students, consensus is very important for Pakistan. It means that someone must agree on one opinion. But before I will tell you what is mean by the consensus, we are going to the actual topic. What does civil line means? Because all the students are listening that we are teaching, we are reading about the civil life. So you should be understand what is mean by the civil life. So please check your screen and you will take the screenshot. What does civil life means? You should take a screenshot because this is also your homework. Civil life, the ordinary life of citizen, as distinguished from military, legal, or ecclesiastical affairs, of or relating to the citizen as an individual civil rights of or occurring within the state or between citizens. The students, civil life means the ordinary life of citizen. And what is the opposite word of the civic? Most student can, that think about that. Which word will be opposite word of civil? So military, rude, religious, these words we can say that the opposite words of the civil. Now in detail, I will tell you that what speciality of civil life in Pakistan. So please you can check and take a screenshot from your cell phone and mobile phone. Okay, define in detail civil life in Pakistan. In this answer, we will in detail read out about the civil life and we will cover the all content of our first unit. Dear student, Pakistan, we have read out that the Pakistan is a unique country. It is an Islamic state on the unity of God and humankind. Now we will read about the consensus. Everybody know that what is the means by the consensus. Consensus are very important for Pakistan's civil life because consensus means someone agree on which everyone agree. Again, I am repeating, consensus are very important for Pakistan's civil life because consensus means, what is mean by the consensus? The consensus means something on which everyone agree. So, a Pakistan civil life is based on consensus. Okay, which events that are the part of Pakistan civil life? What are speciality of Pakistan civil life? So historical events, all historical events also part of Pakistan civil life. Art and literature, artists and writers are also the important parts of Pakistan civic life. Politics, the local self-government and politicians are also the important part of Pakistan civil life. Because of local self-government services, citizens get lots of facilities. Now we are turning out the page number 3 and all Pakistan citizens choose our leaders because of casting vote and these leaders are called politicians. The heading is the unity of a nation. The unity of a nation like respecting law, etc. are the identification of Pakistan's civil life. Consensus is in Islam means religion. In our civil life, being a Muslim, this is a we all, A-double-L, we all are believe on Allah and Quran and according to our constitution, our country name is Islamic Jamhuriya Pakistan. In is Islamic Jamhuriya? Jamhuriya means republic. Islamic Republic Pakistan. If you want, you can also write Islamic Republic Pakistan, but we have written Islamic Jamhuriya Pakistan. But in our civil society, 5% of the population of Pakistan follows their religions, including Hinduism, Rostam, and Christianity. Education, the last heading, the education. In our civil life, being a Pakistan citizens, we are get formal and informal education. So in detail, now we have discussed about the civil life in Pakistan, which special things are include and which life we are spending as a Pakistani citizen in our civil life. Consensus, historical events, art and literature, politics, the unity of a nation, consensus in Islam and education. All things are included in Pakistan civil life. Now students, we will discuss about the consensus. Everybody must be thinking about that. Teacher again and again, that saying that the consensus. So what is mean by the consensus? That dear students, the term consensus means something on which everyone agree. To explain this, consider the following example. Suppose there are 30 students in a class and there is only one playground. 20 students want to play football while 10 want to play cricket. Listen to carefully. There is only one playground. 20 students want to play football, which 10 want to play cricket. We can say that the majority want to play football and a minority want to play cricket. But what do they all want? They all want to play some outdoor game. Hence, it can be said that the consensus is on playing outdoors. So, consensus means one thing where all are agree. So, we can say in our Pakistani civil life, when all the citizens are agree on the one opinion, like we, that being a Muslim, we are believe on Allah. Our country name Islamic Republic Pakistan, and all the citizens, that mostly all the citizen are the flowers of Allah and the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Art and literature also part of Pakistani civil life, and the politicians and politics are playing the important role in Pakistani civil life. Again, you will go through the page number 1, the second paragraph. We have, that read about the now. If someone decide to make all the students happy, then what should be done? Firstly, it must be agreed that it should be outdoor sports, because there is a consensus of that. Secondly, since 2/3 of the children want to play football and 1/3 cricket, they can agree to play football for 2 weeks and cricket for 1 week after that. This marks is democratic and based on consensus. Means in Pakistani civil life, mostly we are trying to our best that we will follow the democratic behavior regarding to our all affairs. If these affairs are related from our daily life, if these affairs are related from our schools, colleges, universities, and if these affairs are related from our religion, and if these affairs are related from our politics. Now we will discuss about some, that historical persons, some famous politicians, scholars, what the idea and what they have done for the civil life. According to our great leaders and thinkers such as Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, everybody know about the Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. He was the father of, that the two nation theory. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, 1817 to 1908. Muhammad Ali Johar, 1876 to 1931, and Allama Iqbal, 1877 to 1938. Society should be guided by the consensus of its citizens. In his famous poem Javitnama, 1932, Iqbal wrote, "Do you know what is the nation? Is question mark. It is to have a single vision with thousand eyes." Based on these words, our aim should be to care about everyone's opinions and nobody voice should be ignored. Means all the voices are important. All the people are equal. Not type of any, that locality, personality will be superior, will be supreme according, and that among the citizen. Nobody's voice should be ignored. किसी की भी आवाज इग्नोर नहीं की जाएगी. All are equal. Qaeda Muhammad Ali Jinnah, father of the nation, 1876-1948, the founder and the first governor general of Pakistan, and Liaquat Ali Khan, 1896 to 1951, the first prime minister. Both made every effort to organize the social and political life of Pakistan along these lines. So, dearest student, अल्लामा इकबाल, he saw the dream of Pakistan, के ख्वाब देखा जिन आंखों ने वो चुप गई मुरादों से पहले, ताबीर जिनके हाथ लगी गोया मुझा आंखें जी उठी. He saw the dream of Pakistan. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, the father of the two-nation theory, the Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the founder of Pakistan, and the first Governor General, Liaquat Ali Khan. All our politicians, the greatest leader of the Pakistan, are agree. No voice will be ignored. All are equal. Now, if I say that being a Pakistani citizen, being a Muslim, how we can get success in all over the world? We can get success in all over the world, dear student, if we will follow the consensus of the democracy, if we will follow the consensus of Islam, if we if we will follow the consensus of equality, when we will follow the consensus of Islam, consensus of democracy, consensus of equality. So, that I can say we can get a supreme, courteous, and the gorgeous position in all over the world. Because being a Muslim, our Quran is giving us lecture, is giving us lesson that all are equal. Nobody is superior than others. What's a lesson? Our greatest religion of Islam. Now I will go ahead. We will discuss about the art and literature. Everybody know that we have discussed in detail about the art and literature in our civil life, but now some material I will discuss from the book again, page number 1. Student, art and literature are like dreams. Artists and writers who are admired and supported by a particular group of the people show us the dreams of the group. Show us the dreams of the group. Therefore, stories, poems, films, and other forms of art and literature enjoyed by everyone in the country are like the dreams of the entire nation. This may be called consensus of art, consensus of literature, or consensus of culture. Everybody know that Pakistani culture is very popular, is the identification of Pakistan. Because our culture is very colorful, and this color is a symbol of our religion, our identification of being a Pakistani. So we have a beautiful, colorful culture because we can say that society has a consensus of them, and Pakistan all society is based on the literature of the consensus of the literature, the consensus of the nation, the consensus of the art, and the consensus of the literature. My dearest student, we can say that our speciality, we have lots of, that creators, scholars, writers, thinker, and that artists. Now I will tell you okay, what are the purpose of art and literature. Usually art and literature which are enjoyable and entertaining are also liked by the majority of the people. Usually group good entertainment is also full of hope. When that if you are feeling cross, you are feeling bored, feeling anxiety, you are going into the depression, what you will do? You will take a good book, a good story book, open this book and read out. What will happen? When you will take a start the reading of good book, so after few minutes you feel, that feel you, when you will be feel that you are feel relaxation because of good words, because of good stories, because of reading, because of divert of mind. So dearest student, art and literature both are like dream, and artists and writers both are our heroes. Now I will tell you that the is also Ibn Safi is also our that greatest writer. So now the time is homework. I think also you have take a screenshot today homework because our class is distributed in two classes today and tomorrow. So today the class time has over. Now we will take start our homework. I hope you have all the student, my dear, all my dear student have take a screenshot from your cell phone and your computer screen. This is the first question. What does civil life mean? Take a screenshot. This is a page 1. I hope you have take a screenshot. The page 2 we have discussed and I have described in detail what is civil life in Pakistan. This is a page 2. In the easier way you can see on your page. This is a page 3. Remain answer of question number 2. This is a question number 2 and this is a question number 3. Everybody's know this is a page number 4. Everybody's know that already we have shared, we have discussed, we have understood all the answer of the Pakistan civil life.